How to fix Reels template couldn't to be add problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So here these are the templates. So if you're facing difficult to use this template on your Instagram Reels, this video is absolutely for you. So guys, what you need to do is that you just need to go to your phone settings. After going to phone settings here, just scroll down and then go to apps and then click on app management. Click and then here you have to search for Instagram. After searching for Instagram, scroll down and then here you'll find one option that is storage usage. Simply click on storage usage and then here you have to clear the data as well as the cache, and then click on permission, and here you have to allow each and every permission. Okay, now what you can do is that if the problem doesn't fix, then just go back on your settings. Okay, just go back on your settings and then here you have to search for software update or device update. Okay, so now here on the search bar just search for software or device update. Here it is, just click on it and then wait for the update. Here you can see you'll get like this: download and install. Just update your device and then switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then you can check it out whether a problem has been solved or not. Guys, again, if it is not solved, then what you need to do is that delete your Instagram app and then reinstall it, and then the problem will absolutely solve. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.